The installation process is almost the same as with the default database. You need to click the Next button several times. Here, you need to select the Create Configuration option and the SQL Server database type. The program displays additional connection options. The first one is the SQL Server's address. You should install a database engine yourself on a remote or current computer. Then you should enter the database name. It can be an existing database or a new one. In this case, the program will try to create it. Specify the login and password of your database administrator. This user should have the corresponding rights to create database objects. The installation wizard can create a new user in your database. Later, the installed program will use this login and password to work with the database. The *mask character instructs the program to detect and start monitoring all printers on this computer. It is the SQL script that the program will execute to create database objects. You may select components to install. You need both components on the central server. The program installs the necessary components if necessary.